Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again. This week, I'm gonna try to do something different. I think my channel probably needs a bit of a variety here as well. So, if you follow me on socials, you've probably seen I've sort of got, last 6 months I got into a bit of FPV droning. Now, this FPV droning is a little bit different than normal conventional droning. So, over here, I've got my Mavic Pro. So this Mavic Pro is a nice and steady and GPS focused drone, right? So you can do really nice, smooth, cruisy videos. Has a full stabilized gimbal and basically just flies like amazingly smooth, okay? But FPV, this little baby, basically what it does, you can just go freestyle with this, right? So there's no gimbals, there's nothing that basically stabilizes the drone other than the GoPro Hero 9 camera. Now, this basically what it does is gives you a full manual mode. Now, with this, you are fully in control of everything, forward, back, and freestyle droning. So you can do flips with this. Playing around with this, initially you have to fly in a simulator. It's you get a great idea of what to expect. The whole thing is totally insane as far as I'm concerned anyway. So I've been flying with a few boys around, and Jazzman is sort of the person that really helped me out with this, and a great bloke. So I'll link down his channel down the bottom as well. Local guy from Melbourne as well. There's a few other boys there as well, and if you do want to know more about this, then let me know. I'll pop some flying at the end of the video and let me know what you think. Now, additionally, I wanted to show you a few things. So being in the hobby now for about 6 months, I have purchased a few drones, and the addiction is real, I must say. So this one here is the 5-inch Nazgul. So this is made by iFlight. Amazing drone. It really rips through the air and stable, and it just flies unbelievably. Now, this is probably one of the latest ones that I've purchased. I did start off with a little Cinewhoop. This Cinewhoop is basically that little baby there. Now, the Cinewhoops have ducts that they basically are protected with. So I initially thought this would be great to start off with, which it really is. However, the flight characteristics of this drone is totally different than my Nazgul, what you just saw before. I'm gonna rip this apart and actually stick it into a 3-inch frame. And this is 3-inch, so basically the propellers are 3 inches. The Nazgul is 5-inch, so propellers are 5-inch. Now, additionally, I've purchased a little baby Cinewhoop as well. So this is called a WINGSUIT. Now, WINGSUIT is much smaller, as you can see, for flying. However, the amazing thing of this drone is it has exactly the same features as this drone. So you can fly pretty far away. So it has a Caddx Vista controller, and basically you control it to, you plug it into your DJI controller, and still has a digital feed, so no analog feed, so the image is crystal clear, and very cool LEDs at the back and other things as well. So definitely worthwhile, this drone to start off with. So yeah, just worth, actually, you can actually put a GoPro on this as well. However, it has to be a naked GoPro. So naked GoPro is a GoPro camera that's stripped down to bare minimum and only weighs approximately 25, 26, 27 grams. And it gives you amazing footage. So that drone there can be flown inside. It's very stable. It's quite impressive for what it is as well. I had a little stack with this. I don't know if you can see it from here. The camera is actually a bit smashed up, and this is not focusing. But the camera is a bit smashed up. I'll show you on the photo, and just waiting for a replacement camera. The camera itself is only about 15 bucks, so which is really cool. If you like tinkering and you like sort of playing around with this sort of stuff, definitely worthwhile getting into. Just be careful not to spend too much money on it. Yeah. Hope you enjoy some flying, and thanks for tuning in again, guys. All the best. Hope everything is well with you, and if you have any questions, just shoot through an email. I'll pop a couple of locations that we do fly in as well, and a lot of other people fly as well, so around Melbourne. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the flying. Ciao. Okay, so usually we have a fly around Bandura, in Bandura Park. Bandura Park is quite a large area, so pretty safe, and we meet up in a little shack there, in a little hut, River Red Gum Avenue. So hopefully see you there sometime. All the best, guys.